Hi there, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing okay. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I have got another advent calendar unboxing for you, and this is Revolution Beauty London. I got it from the Boots website and it retails for £50, but I got it for £37.50 because Boots have a huge offer on at the minute on all their advent calendars, not their own branded ones on the number 7s, but all the other ones like Soap and Glory, Champneys, NIVEA, and also Revolution. It's around 16 advent calendars in total of up to 50% off. I don't know how long the offer is running for, but I took advantage, got a couple of advent calendars to unbox with you. You'll find a link to this calendar down below in my description, and down there I'll also pop a link to the whole page so you can see all the other different calendars that Boots currently have on offer. This is a 24-day advent calendar. It contains 10 full sizes, 8 minis and 6 accessories. So taking advantage of the offer on Boots, I got this one. I got a Champneys one, I got a Soap and Glory one, I think I got a NIVEA Woman one, I haven't had that one yet, and I got a REHAB hair oil one. I absolutely love the Champneys one. That is so good. Really, really lovely. So let's see what I'll think about this one then. Oh, day number 1 over here. We got a Pout lip oil, hydrating lip oil. I love a lip oil. I love the packaging. That is really, really cute. That's so nice. Oh, what's the smell? It smells like cookie dough. I'm not too sure. Just try a little bit on my hand there. This is 1.4 mils hydrating lip oil. Yeah, that's nice. I like that. Right, I'll put everything out in front of me because I'm not going to be able to put them back in. Sometimes I do put the products back in if I'm going to film them for Instagram. But advent calendars like this that you rip to shreds, that I can't do it because it looks awful. I like this. I like the design of it. A little handy size mirror there. Oh, it's not very clean. There. Oh, my lips do look really shiny. Is that? Okay, day number 3. Down here, we got a powder highlighter in shade Just My Type. Let's try a little bit of this on my hand. Ooh. That's pretty. That is really, really pretty. And that blends out really nicely. It's not as shocking as I thought it would be, you know? I thought that would be full on highlight. It's really nice. I like that. I really do like that. Yeah, that is one I would wear, and I'm quite fussy with my highlighters. I don't like it to be too shimmery. What number are we? Number 4 over here. And this is a big powder Reloaded translucent. Let's just try a little bit. Try a little bit there. You're not going to be able to see anything because it's translucent. It feels nice. Nicely finely milled. Yep, just translucent powder there. Day number 5. Okay. And what? Oh my word. Oh, look at this. It's a heart. Little powder puff. That is really cute. That is really, really, really cute. It's huge though. It is quite big. Yeah, that's cute. Right, day number 6. We've got a brow gel. It's just clear brow gel. Little wand. See how tacky it is. No, not strong enough for me. It's all right. It'll give you a little bit of a hold, but I like mine super, super, super strong. Day number 7. We're over here. Can you see there? Let's turn you over a little bit there. And again, the packaging is so cute. What have we got though? Nude Rise? Nude something. I can't see it. But can you see it's got little stars on there? So it's a nude pencil. So this is sort of like a multi-purpose type pen. Oh, is it shiny? Oh no, it is. Yeah, it is. I wasn't expecting that. That's really pretty. It's glittery. It's a nude glittery pencil. Look how glittery that is. I've just... There, can you see? Ooh, that is so nice. That would be so good. Let me try and do some in the inner corner. It is very subtle, but it just gives a little bit of glitter. I like that. I do. I would definitely be using that. Day number 8 over here. And we've got a teeny tiny little makeup sponge there. So good for getting around your eyes and your nose. Anyway, what we are now, day number 9 over here. We got a black felt liner. And again, look at the packaging. I really like it. See what this is like. Ooh. Oh, that is really pigmented. Ooh, this is a good one. You're seeing it before me, really. Oh no, this is such a good one. This is really, really nice. You can get a really fine line. Yeah, or thick. Yeah, impressed. Day number 10. And we've got a brush. It just says Revolution Beauty on it. This is a nice brush though. I like these smaller brushes. They're great for smoking out an under eye. They're the nice perfect size. Eyeshadow brush there. Oh, I forgot what number that is. Oh my gosh, what number is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That was 10, wasn't it? So day number 11. I'm just going to rip it like this. And we have got Nude Chauffeur. Again, a really nice colour. There's a lip liner there. That is a really, really nice colour. Yeah. Oh, it's quite peachy. That's nice. Day number 12 down here. Oh, this is cute. Jelly blush. Lip and cheek stain. That is so cute. That is so nice. That is really pretty. I wouldn't use it on my cheeks, but for my lips. I always want these jelly blushes to smell of fruit. Let's see how easy that is to get off. Okay, first of all, dabbing it. Nope. It's quite a stain. Nope. Still a little bit there. Wow. It's definitely long lasting. Day number 13 up here. And we've got the Ultimate Eyeshadow Primer. So it's a base. Let's just cover that and hide it. It feels really nice. Yeah, nice and smooth on the skin. So an eyeshadow primer there. What was that? 13. We're on number 14 down here. Ooh, we've got another jelly. Glass Halo highlighting stick. Look how cute. It's so small. Okay. Is any coming out? Yeah. This feels quite hard. Oh, there, it's better once you get going. Yeah, that's pretty. It's more subtle. I personally wouldn't use it directly on my face like this. I'd apply it with my fingers and dab, or a brush maybe. I did have to press down on my hand quite a bit to be able to use it, but it is a really nice one. It's quite subtle. Yeah, it's pretty. Day number 15. I think you got a mascara. Yes, the Ultimate Lash Lengthening Mascara. Oh, we've got a curved wand there, look. That looks nice. Don't have a clue what it'll be like, but I like the fact that it's curved. Let's Get in there. Day number 16 over here. And I got a little eyeshadow. Mauve Iridescent Pink. Try my other hand. Oh, wow. I wasn't expecting it to come out quite like that. That's pretty, isn't it? Yeah, very pretty. I do like a tiny little bit of a sparkle, especially coming into like the festive season, which is why we're unboxing this advent calendar. I know it's August, but anyway, that'd be quite nice just to put in the inner corners or do a bit of a halo eye or something. But no, it's a pretty one. It is pretty. I think we're on 16, aren't we? No, we're not. 17. Let's just rip it here. What have we got? Shimmer stick, more shimmer, and this is Pink Snowball. It's a face shimmer stick. Look. Okay. So I'm assuming for lips, cheeks, or eyes. Very shimmery. Not a colour I would wear on my eyes, lips, or cheeks, really. So no, not one for me there. Day number 18. Peptide Glaze Tinted Lip Serum. Look. That is very subtle. So very nude. That would be really pretty, actually, if you just had like a lip liner, like a very nudie brownie lip liner, and then you applied that in the middle. Peptide Glaze. 19 down here. Oh, a nice big brush. I love brushes. Oh, nice big soft brush. Oh, yeah. For your a powder brush or blush, whatever you want. That's a nice big one. And then day number 20 up here. What's this? Cherry Kiss Lip Gloss. Lip gloss, that is literally it. Cherry Kiss Lip Gloss. Ooh. It's pretty. Smell. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It smells gorgeous. Really strong cherries. That's nice. So we got lip gloss. 21. We got some loose translucent baking powder. Love the little pot. Comes out like that. So we got a pressed powder and some loose powder. It's there. 22. Lip Shift Peel Off Lip Stain. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed with lip stains. This looks like it could be a really nice colour as well. So it goes on purple, but comes out this colour. It's really, that's really pretty. That is so pretty. It's very, very sparkly. I don't want to do too much. We leave it for a couple of minutes and then I'll peel it off. See what it's like. So what was that? That was 22. So 23. Face and Body Gems. If you're going to like a Christmas party or a festival or something, then yeah, these are really pretty. And then day 24, the last day of the advent calendar. Is it going to be a palette? Yes, it is. And what have we got here? It doesn't have a name. Holiday Special. Holiday Special. Special Noel. It's eye pigments. With some really nice colours there. A little bit unusual. Let's do some swatches. Woo! Ooh, okay. Let's put them all on my hand there. And we can, do you know what? besides that brown one, which is quite powdery, all those others have gone onto my hand really nice. You see, it's a little bit powdery, but oh my gosh, the glitters and shimmers are like butter. They are so, so good. I don't know if that is an actual palette I would gravitate towards, possibly. The mattes are pigmented, but they're quite powdery, but the shimmers and glitters are gorgeous. They're really nice. Yeah, it's a nice colour. It's a nice colour underneath. Let's see how much of a stain it is then. Look, can you see that? And that's it. Doesn't want to come off. I actually like that colour. Yeah, I would use that, definitely. I love a lip stain. That's the Revolution 2026 24-day advent calendar. It retails for £50. Currently on introductory offer on the Boots website for £37.50, which is what I paid. When I first saw the products, I thought, oh, do you know what? This is going to be great for like a teenager. But there's some really nice products in here. I like myself. I cannot wait to try this. This has really shocked me, but it just felt buttery smooth on the skin and gave more like a glass-like finish. So very much a nighttime sort of highlighter, but just really pretty. I love this little jelly stain as well for the lips. There's the liquid eyeliner, glitter nudie stick that I applied in the corners. Not so much the palette, not so much the powders, but as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think? Are you going to get a Revolution advent calendar for yourself, or are you buying it for someone else? Or are you thinking, do you know what, Claire? Oh, it's not worth it. What you want about? I'd love to know. So please comment down below. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.